Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, June 27th, 2023. Now, this is a TAT LeMans. It is truly the Pontiac of ceiling fans, other than the Catalina, perhaps. Now, this is a 48-inch semi-industrial ceiling fan. The wooden blades indicate maybe it's targeted for residential use, but it has the TAT motor, similar to that of the 36-inch industrial that I've previously videotaped. Now I'm going to start off, I have it rigged up to your typical 5-speed controller of the era. It's actually an EnviroFan controller, but they're all pretty much the same. So I'm going to start it off on 1, which is the fastest speed. Three, 4, 5. And now for the spin down. One differentiating factor from the TAT LeMans opposed to the regular TAT. I have 2 of those behind it, and those both have the blade brackets with the little, I don't know, hearts or whatever you call them in the brackets. These have more of a union style bracket. Oh, still the price tag. I didn't realize it was still on there. Oh, it was 2016 when I got this fan. Sounds about right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.